Cymone, Kennedy, Cymone. She the baddest, ooh, fucking killer, ooh. Represent the crew with Kennedy, Cymone.
What is up, King Killers? Welcome back to the channel, y'all. In today's video, I'm gonna be showing y'all how I got this honey blonde install. Y'all, it's been a minute since I talked to the camera, so it feel a little weird, but we're gonna get back used to it. So anyways, the wig install that I have today is from Unice hair. Shout out to them. And the hair just has this really nice gloss to it, and that is thanks to Glaze. Today I used the Glaze clear conditioning gloss, and it just leaves this really nice shine and softness to the hair. Sorry y'all, that's why I keep touching it, because it's just like I'm feeling myself. I ain't had my hair done in a minute either, y'all. I hope y'all enjoyed today's video. I'll leave a link to everything that I show you guys in the description box down below. Make sure you guys go check out Glaze and the link to get this hair from Unice hair, and I'll see y'all in the video. All right, bye y'all.
Alright y'all, so in my Unice box, I got a cute little baggie with some goodies in it. I got some eyelashes, a headband, a necklace, and a wig cap. So to start off, I'm taking some NARS bronzer, and I'm just using this to blend the wig cap with my skin tone. And the wig that I'm installing today is a 13x4 lace frontal wig in the color honey blonde with highlights in the length 24 inches. And the knots did not come bleached, so I did do this the night before, and I just let the hair air dry overnight. So next I just went ahead and put the wig on my head just to, you know, see what we working with. Next, I'm just cutting off some of this lace so that I can see. And I be making the craziest faces, y'all, when I'm concentrating, so don't mind me. And I also cut around my ear so that it fits nicely around the ear area. And now I'm just going straight in with some glue. And usually I would use the Ghost Bond glue, but I was actually sampling some hair glue to sell. So this is just one of the samples that I had. And I'm just applying this all around the hairline where I'm going to be placing the wig. And then you just want to go ahead and spread that out. So after the glue turns nice and clear, we can go ahead and start melting the lace into the skin. So I'm just lining up the hairline exactly where I placed that glue. And after I've laid the lace down, I'm just going to brush all the hair going straight back so we don't cut any extra hairs that I don't want to cut. Then I'm just using some scissors and I'm cutting off all that extra lace that we don't need. So now that that's done, I'm taking a elastic band and I'm just going to tie this down on the hairline so that everything can just sit and melt nicely into the skin. So while the lace is melting, I'm going to be using a semi-permanent super color conditioning gloss from Glaze. So in my Glaze package, I got a hair clip, a Glaze towel. I received two different shades. The first shade is Sheer Glow Transparent and the second shade is Luminous Licorice. And basically this product is designed to make your hair extra soft, extra shiny, and overall just to make the hair look more vibrant. So since this hair is already honey blonde, I'm going to be using the Sheer Glow Transparent conditioning gloss today. So there are 9 different color matching shades from the Glaze Super Gloss collection, plus the transparent gloss that I'm using today. So this is a semi-permanent dye, so it will last you up to 10 washes. It's not a hair dye, so it's not going to damage your hair. So you don't have to be worried about being stuck with the hair color that you don't really like in the end, or worrying about the strong smells from hair dye. This product actually smells really good too, y'all. They are also 100% vegan, cruelty free, and the packaging is recyclable. I only had to leave this on my hair for 10 minutes, y'all, and I could already tell how amazing the results were going to be even while my hair was still wet. The detangling process was so much easier. I didn't have a lot of knotting or tangling, and I could already start to feel how much softer the hair felt. So this product just overall really left the hair looking way more vibrant. It made the colors of this wig stand out so much more, and the hair is still extremely soft. There's no tangling or knotting, and the shine is amazing. And right now Glaze is currently offering a 20% discount just for their launch, and if you don't like the result, Glaze will refund you money back guarantee. This is just a little before and after so that you guys can get an idea of the transformation that we're gonna get at the end of this video. As you guys can see, this conditioning gloss did an amazing job on my hair. Thank you, Glaze, for sponsoring today's video. So if you guys are interested in trying out Glaze, I have a special offer for you. Make sure you guys check out the link and discount code in the description box down below. So now that the hair is nice and blow dried, I'm going in with a hot comb, and I'm just trying to get the hair trained in the direction that I want it to lay. I will go back in with the hot comb later just to get it even more flat, but this would just give me an idea of how I'm going to be styling the hair. I also went in and just plucked the hairline a little bit to make it look a little more natural. And now I'm just doing some light baby hairs. I didn't want anything too dramatic. I wanted to keep this wig looking as natural as possible. So I'm doing very slight baby hairs, very natural baby hairs today. And I'm just going in with some Got To Be gel, applying that to the baby hairs and just slicking those back. And I'm doing the same thing to my sideburns as well. So after I have everything in place and how I want it, the next thing that I personally like to do is go in with some Got To Be freeze spray, and I just go all along the hairline. I feel like this just makes the lace kind of blend into the skin even better, and I'm just making sure everything is in place because once this Got To Be freeze spray dries, there's no going back. So I'm just making sure everything is exactly how I want it before I put my elastic band back on. So while we have the elastic band on, I'm gonna go ahead and flat iron the hair, and I decided to just go with bone straight here today, nothing too crazy, and I'm just using my flat iron to do this. So I felt like my part was a little too wide, so I just went in with some touch-up spray and just applied that to the parting area. And I also decided to add in a few little layers to frame my face a little bit better. And one thing that I wish I would have done was cut the ends of this hair because they were a little burnt out, but it's okay. I think the hairstyle still came out cute. And then I'm just going back in with that Got to Be Free spray, just making sure we don't have any flyaways. And this is the final look, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Make sure you guys go check out Glaze and also Unice hair. Both links will be in the description box down below. And I'll see y'all in my next video. Bye, King Killers.